In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see watch history on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up TikTok app and then tap right here to go to our TikTok profile. Now we need to tap right here at these three lines. Select Settings and Privacy. And then scroll down a bit until you find here Activity Center. First off, we need to get into Activity Center, and that's where we can easily find Watch History. Once we tap on it, it will show us all the videos we have watched on TikTok. They are sorted here from newest to oldest, and that's how we can easily check our watch history on TikTok. If you would like to remove some video from here, you can easily do so. If you tap at select, then you will be able to check mark videos you would like to remove from here. And once all the videos are selected, hit right here at delete. Also, you can tap at select all watch history to remove all the videos from here at once. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.